Why does the author mention jazz in the second paragraph? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that refers to jazz, and the passage says that something that is superficial or dumbed down can change over time and can be incorporated into elite culture. And then it gives the example of jazz. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. It demonstrates the kind of art form that the lower classes likely enjoyed in the past. In the context of the discussion related to jazz, the passage says that it was considered appropriate for uneducated people of lower classes. So this reference can be established, but that is not the purpose for the mention of jazz. Jazz is mentioned to indicate that what is considered superficial or dumbed down can change over time and get incorporated into elite culture. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B. Unjust rejection of an elite art form which has eventually surpassed the popularity of its rival. In the context of the mention of jazz, the passage doesn't suggest that jazz has surpassed the popularity of classical music. Also, the passage doesn't suggest that the rejection of jazz was unjust. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C. It exemplifies the idea that the popularity of an art form may influence that of another. In the context of the mention of jazz, the passage doesn't suggest that jazz was influenced by classical music or vice versa. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D. It illustrates how the term popular culture is poorly conceived and subject to change over time. Yes, the second paragraph as a whole talks about how the term is poorly conceived. First, it talks about the idea of it being considered only for superficial or sensationalist works of art. And then it talks about something superficial or dumbed down changing over time and getting incorporated into elite culture. And in that context, it offers the example of jazz. So it is correct to state that jazz illustrates how the term popular culture is purely conceived and subject to change over time. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E. It provides an example of an elite art becoming a part of popular culture. In the context of jazz, the passage says that jazz was considered popular culture because it was superficial and it became elite culture later. So this answer choice indicates something exactly opposite of what is mentioned in the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer choice.